Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you mirror or cast iPhone to Android TV for free. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now there are a couple of different ways to do it so. Now some of the easiest tips and tricks to mirror iPhone to Android TV is by following these steps. Now first of all, you could actually use a ApowerMirror wireless mirror iPhone to Android TV. ApowerMirror is a popular screen mirroring app for Android and iOS devices. The tool is widely used to mirror mobile content to your Windows PC, Mac and Android TV as well. Now likewise, what you have to do is you need to download and install this app on your TV and your iPhone. Also, you could use a shortcut button, that is, I'll make sure to drop the link in my description box below, and you could directly find the link and install the application both on your iPhone as well as Android TV. Make sure your iPhone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now on your phone and TV, launch the application. After which, next thing on your phone, tap the mirror button at the center part of the interface. Show the control center and tap screen mirroring. Finally, choose the name of your TV to start mirroring. Now here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and swipe down and select screen mirroring. And if you see the TV option or the name of the TV, you want to click that. And now you'll have successfully screened your iPhone to Android TV. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.